For more than 30 years, Kreg has set the standard in pocket-hole jigs. Now we've reimagined our pocket-hole jigs from the ground up to make them work even better, to match where and how you build even better, and to help you achieve project results that are even better. The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO is the most versatile pocket-hole jig yet. It's designed to make it easy for you to build projects using strong, lasting pocket-hole joints anytime, anywhere. The unique design of the Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO makes the jig adaptable to any workspace and any project. You can use the 520PRO on a work surface or clamp the jig right onto the project or material you are working on. However you use it, the VersaGrip handle rotates 360 degrees, so you can always find a position that's comfortable and easy to use. Just squeeze the handle and the jig locks onto your material, while Grip Max anti-slip material helps the jig hold on in any position you need to work without the need for heavy clamping pressure. The Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO is easy to adjust to match your material, so you can build with solid wood or plywood from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. All you do is slide the drill guide to the stop that most closely matches the material thickness, and then lock the stop collar using the Easy Set window and etched markings on the pocket hole drill bit. The VersaGrip handle even features a quick reset feature that lets you limit the movement of the clamping mechanism to match your material thickness. That allows you to quickly clamp materials of similar thicknesses without having to squeeze the handle multiple times. Kreg didn't just make the Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO versatile and easy to use though. We also built the Jig to last with a steel reinforced spine and durable impact-resistant polymer construction, plus lifetime warranted hardened steel drill guides. That means you'll build better projects with your Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO for years and years to come. The intuitive design of the Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO makes it easy to get started too, whether you've been building for years or you're taking on your first pocket hole project. To make it even easier, the 520PRO comes with a 2-inch face clamp that's handy for holding and assembling parts of your projects. And you get packs of 2 of the most popular sizes of Kreg pocket hole screws. These aren't just sample packs. There are enough screws here to build a project, and we've even thrown in a step-by-step project plan. While the Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO is versatile on its own, there are a couple of accessories that can make it even more capable. If you want to create the ultimate setup for your Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO, check out the Kreg docking station. It lets you turn your 520PRO into a benchtop jig anytime you need more material support. Plus, the docking station has lots of built-in storage, so you can keep your drill and driver bit, jig accessories, and Kreg pocket hole screws all in one ready-to-go place. You can fold the whole station up when you're not using it, and you can easily remove the 520PRO from the docking station anytime you want. There's also a micro-pocket drill guide for the 520PRO. It swaps into place when you want to drill smaller pocket holes that are perfect for thinner materials, like 1/2-inch drawer sides, for narrow workpieces, to make drilling easier in super hard woods, or when you want the smallest, easiest to hide pocket hole possible. With all these great features and accessories, it's easy to see how the versatile Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO makes it easy for you to build pocket hole projects anytime, anywhere, with results that will meet and exceed your expectations. Because the 520PRO is from Kreg, you know it's built to last and backed by the #1 pocket hole brand. That means you'll find a complete line of tools, best selection of pocket hole screws, plus the accessories, support, plans, and educational information you need to succeed. To learn more about the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO, as well as Kreg's other products for building DIY and woodworking projects, visit us online at kregtool.com.